Bob, no! Bobby! Thought they were done, but I guess not. Prince don't want to be caught. Gonna put everybody in their pens. Everybody's got a spot to eat. Everybody does. Come on, you guys. Gotta go up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up to your spot, Prince. Yep, up to your spot. Gotta go up to your spot. Which isn't over here. Come on, man. Don't make me chase you all over. It's rather stormy today. Yes, look at that horse. He's making me go after him, and he normally doesn't do this. But he doesn't like the wind. He doesn't. He's probably going to take off at a gallop here in a minute. Huh, are ya? Are you going to take off at a gallop, huh? Huh, huh. Bobby! Gonna get kicked, Bob. Dang horse, anyway. Bobby! Boobling bear! It's cold out here, Princely. Yep. Don't do this. The longer you do this, the longer everybody's got to wait to eat. Even you. Come on. Up! Bobby! Yeah, go to your spot, dude. Go to your spot, Prince. I know you guys all want to be in the same spot because of the wind, but I'll protect you. Yep. Where'd he go? Where is he, Two-Tone? Huh? Where'd that good big old black guy go? Is he hiding behind the tree? Is he hiding? There he is, hiding behind the tree. There he is, it's Stealth the Elf. And my beautiful girl. Yeah. My beautiful girls. Beautiful horses. Alright, you guys. Time to eat.